How to find the ratio of k square by r square of any geometry or body such as ring, disc, sphere, etc. It is very important to understand how to find or how to calculate or how to determine the term k square by r square, the term k square by r square of a rigid body, There are so many bodies one can ask to find out k square by r square. Why k square by r square required? For example, in case of competitive exam such as either KCET or NEET, either KCET, NEET, JEE exams, in a question they may ask to find out what is the rolling energy, rolling kinetic energy, rolling energy of a body. Then you should know what is the formula for rolling energy. Formula for rolling energy is half mv square into 1 plus k square by r square formula. The term k square by r square decides whether the given body is a ring or a disc or sphere. Not only that, in some problems they may ask what is the velocity of a rolling body, velocity of a rolling body, velocity of a rolling body. In that case, the equation of velocity is square root of 2gh multiplied by 1 plus k square divided by r square. So here also very important, we should find out what is the value of k square by r square. So either to find out the velocity of a rolling body or to find out kinetic energy of a rolling body, we should know what is the value of k square by r square for any given body. And here the k refers radius of gyration, and r indicates radius of the body, So it is our duty to find out either radius of the body or radius of gyration. Okay, now let us try to find out what is the value of k square by r square for a given body. So in order to find out the value of k square by r square for any body, or geometry, body may be ring or disc or sphere, I is equal to mk square is the standard formula, is standard equation. It is a standard equation for any body where I is moment of inertia, m is mass of the body, k is radius of gyration. Now if you compare that equation with the moment of inertia of different bodies, for example, if you take the for ring I is equal to mr square. Same way, what is the moment of inertia for I is equal to mk square formula. So here left hand side is equal, so you can equate right hand sides. mk square is equal to mr square. M present on both sides, it will cut. So you can write here implies k square by r square is equal to 1 for ring. Same way, if you substitute the value of k square by r square, the m value they will provide velocity of center of mass. Actually it is velocity of center of mass. This also velocity of center of mass. Okay, k square by r square for ring is 1. Then for sphere I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. 2 by 5 mr square. Now if you write I is equal to mk square, left hand side is equal. Therefore equate right hand sides. M, you can write it is either small m or capital M. It is m k square is equal to 2 by 5 r square. Therefore you know that m gets cancelled. Now immediately you can write the word k square by r square, the term k square by r square is equal to 2 by 5 for sphere. Same way if you wanted to calculate for disk, I is equal to 1 by 2 mr square formula. Then you know the standard equation I is equal to mk square. Here also what you are getting that left hand side is equal. Therefore mk square is equal to half of mr square. So you can write immediately what is that value. Here gets cancelled. You should write what is the value of k square by r square. Here the term k square by r square is equal to half for disk. So you should remember what actually we wanted to write here. Our duty to find out what is the value of k square by r square for a given body. It is very very important to find out this value. One may ask what is the energy of a rolling body or what is the velocity of a rolling body. Both equation, not only that, there are certain other equation also requires k square by r square, or one can directly ask for competitive exam by giving a disk, find the k square by r square ratio for the disk in the exam. So to find out the k square by r square, first you should know what is the moment of inertia of different bodies. You know that for a ring I is equal to mr square moment of inertia. For a disk I is equal to half of mr square. For a sphere I is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. Now your duty to compare the moment of inertia of different bodies with the moment of inertia. Standard formula I is equal to mk square. Okay, now you can write separately moment of inertia k square by r square formula. K square by r square it is equal to 1 for ring, it is 2, it is half for disk, and it is 2 by 5 for sphere. So your duty to, you can find out if you know whatever the geometry, you can find out what is k square by r square for a solid cylinder, what is the k square by r square for a hollow cylinder. Like that you can find out for any given body k square by r square formula. It is k square by r square is the ratio of square of radius of gyration to square of radius of the body. Very very important term for competitive exam. So it is better to remember a shortcut formula, energy equation as well as velocity equation for any rolling body. Thank you for watching video.